Was that full time?
Customers are reminded that any and smartphones must be validated before boarding the plane. If you have a rail card, please show that to the on-board staff along with your ticket.
She's 15 miles away from
He's gonna fucking repeat that.
Favourites.
Ask AI, chat GPT, that's it. That's good.
I know, but I'm not going to do it. Fuck it. He keeps up his tail.
That was here, wasn't it?
Aye, that.
Harvey Price does not share close living. So basically it says there's Harvey Price Buckley's bar. And AI overview says, like, listen, no, Harvey Price does not explanation bar. He shares a close, loving and well documented family relationship with his mother. He's centred on his pure and mutual affection.
Mutual affection? Oh, that's debatable.
If you have any other questions about Harvey Price and his family, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, get that. AI.
Ask John.
No, Harvey Price has not done this. The topic only came up in 2017 television. This woman.
So is that where you put it your use?
That's been watching This Woman one.
We are now approaching Montrose Ferry. Please mind the gap when leaving the train. The platform at the next station is shorter than this train, so we can only open one set of doors. If you're leaving the train here, please make your way to the vestibule adjacent to the toilet on carriage B. If you need any help, please ask a member of our team. The next station will be Montrose Ferry, where we will only open the
He's not going to get busy.
Even though it wasn't rather popular in the 70s.
Why not enough for that?
Why did you put that in the chat?
Oh, what is that?